Question 8. The depth of water d meters in a harbour on a particular day is modelled by the formula d is equal to 5 add 20 sine of 30t, where t is the number of hours after midnight and t is between 0 and 24. A boat enters the harbour at 6:30 am and it takes 2 hours to load its cargo. The boat requires the depth of water to be at least 3.8 metres before it can leave the harbour. Part A, find the depth of water in the harbour when the boat enters the harbour. So part A, one marker, quite nice and straightforward. D is equal to 5 add 2 sine of 30 times t, which is 6.5. Plugging that into the calculator and we just get 4.48 metres. Part B, find to the nearest minute the earliest time the boat can leave the harbour. So part B, so the depth of water needs to be 3.8 metres, so 3.8 is equal to 5 add 2 sine of 30t. So rearranging this, we get sine of 30t to be equal to minus 0.6. And then inverse signing it, and we get 30t is equal to minus 36.87. So using our cast diagram, what we can do is we can look at it, say 36.87. We can say 36.87 here as well, in these two quadrants. So looking at our particular values here, we've got that 30t is equal to 216.9 or 323.1. So this gives us t values of 7.23 or 10.77. Now we know that t cannot equal 7.23 as it takes 2 hours to unload. So therefore, t is equal to 10.77. And then looking at the time, that is going to be 10:46 am, or 10:46 and 12 seconds.